International Day of Happiness and finding out how it came about and how we can celebrate. Let's dive into it, shall we? But before that, let us start our assembly by reciting a verse from the Holy Quran by Karam and followed by the Quran translation by Jahan Shuf. الرحمن الرحيم مالك يوم الدين إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين اهدنا الصراط المستقيم صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم. In the name of God, the gracious, the merciful, say He is God the One, God the Absolute. He begat not, nor was He begotten, and there is nothing comparable to Him. Let's have in attention as we sing the UAE National Anthem. My name is Savannah Star from Year 1H. Today I'm gonna read a news report for you. Dubai went to world's best destination in 2024 TripAdvisor rankings. Dubai topped TripAdvisor rankings for third year in a row. Dubai has been named the world's most popular tourist destination in the world in the TripAdvisor Traveler's Choice Awards. It is the third year in a row. Good morning, this is Ara Rumi from You All Dubai News. The headlines: Dubai launches new logo. Sheikh Hamdan announces new university in Dubai. Some part of Dubai reported hot weather conditions. Thank you. Let us listen to Abdul Ahad and Creighton Samuel as they talk about International Day of Happiness. The International Day of Happiness is celebrated throughout the world on 20 March. It was established by the United Nations on 28 June 2012. The International Day of Happiness aims to make people around the world realize the importance of happiness and well-being in their life. Thank you. Let us all listen to Braille and Kareem and Hamda as they tell the importance of happiness. The International Day of Happiness hopes to encourage nations to see the happiness and well-being of the people who live there as important and inspire governments to do all they can to help people be happy, healthy, safe. It is also a day that helps us all to think about how we can help ourselves and others to feel good on the inside. Happy can help you to achieve your dreams and goals. Everyone has their own definition of happiness or things that make them happy, which is why there are no traditions set in stone for this day. Happiness is about feeling content and not having to fake your feelings. So whatever makes you happy, you do you. Being internally happy is key to being satisfied with your surroundings. So challenge yourself and be open to new people and experiences. Cherish the little things and be grateful for everything in life. Thank you so much. Now let us watch our fellow students as they recite an acrostic in happiness. I imagine what you can achieve if you try. Never say never. Ease your body and meditate. Sleeping is so important. Smile, smile, smile. Wow, that's an amazing poem about happiness. I wonder what makes other people happy. Let us hear from them. What makes you happiness and confidence and moving to others and living for the something weaker? Rian. Happier together and everyone around happiness from something connected to others and being for them and changing. International Day of Happiness as a way to recognize the importance of happiness in the lives of people around the world. Happiness is a fundamental human good. Adam. The purpose of this day is to know the value of happiness in one's life and create awareness around. Ella. Happiness is the core of a human existence. If we are happy and positive, we can strive to be content with what we have and spread happiness around us. Ira. Fantastic! Now listen how to be happy and to spread happiness to others by reciting happiness performance.
Give it away, you give it away. Happiness is something if you give it away, then it comes right back to you. Oh, it's just like a magic penny. Hold on tight and you won't get any. Lend it, spend it, give it away, then it comes right back to you. A hug is something if you give it away. You give it away. You give it away. A hug is something if you give it away. Then it comes right back to you. Oh, it's just like a magic penny. Hold on tight and you won't get Love is something if you give it away. You give it away. You give it away. Love is something if you give it away, then it comes right back to you. Oh, it's just like a magic penny. Hold on tight and you won't get any. Let it spend it, give it away, then it comes right back to you.
Now let us hear some words on wisdom from our lower primary, head man Fatima.
You don't have to be so loud. We are not standing outside. I can hear you. Is it Happiness Day today? No, it's not today. The International Day is tomorrow. But are we only going to be happy tomorrow? No. We are going to be happy every day. Teachers are very happy.
Maya and Louise. Happy people are more successful. We all have the idea that success makes us happy, but it's backward.
Can we listen to them? Ear ones? Yes, can we be quiet?
Including aspect of life is fostering all the new relationships. Thank you, Ma'am Fatima, for that inspiring message. Let us all stand and as we proudly sing the school vision song. Thank you for joining us today for our assembly about International Day of Happiness. Let us always smile and spread happiness to everyone. Yes, be